A few flood warnings out in England and Wales. The situation is easing. Most of the heavy rain now is across the near continent. Over 2 inches of rain fell in France last night. It's very stormy at present across the western Mediterranean, and that's all tied in really with the same weather system that brought the rain to the British Isles. Now that'll continue moving eastwards, so although it's fine in Zurich at the moment, for the Alps this weekend and down into Italy, it's going to be pretty wet and windy. In fact, it'll stay quite stormy through the western Mediterranean, whereas it will quieten down further east through Turkey and Cyprus. It's been particularly unsettled. A drier weekend, I think, in the offing. And we should see some dry weather across the British Isles. At the moment, we've got low pressure in charge, but that will gradually weaken. You can see the isobars opening out. So that means there'll be less wind and hopefully fewer showers as well. And that fine weather should last into Sunday before the next batch of wet and windy weather sweeps in from the Atlantic. Now at the moment that low pressure is bringing us a fair number of showers to parts of Ireland and other western parts of Britain, and we've still got that weather front fairly close by in eastern England, giving us a lot of cloud. So for the rest of the day I think the heaviest showers will still be through Northern Ireland and Wales, western parts of England too. Some slow moving heavy showers with hail and thunder. We'll keep quite a bit of cloud for eastern parts of England still, so the best of the sunshine will continue to be across central and eastern parts of Scotland, perhaps northeast England as well. So in that sunshine and sheltered from that breeze, it will actually feel quite pleasant. 18 or 19 is above average for the time of year. But as those winds continue to ease for tonight, it means after the showers we'll see some mist and some fog problems. As well as that, this weather system will start to progress towards eastern Scotland, bringing some patchy rain here. And there'll also be those showers continuing in southern and western areas. Inland, though, it will be cooler than of late, certainly cooler than last night. It'll be a bright start, though, a little bit of mist and fog may be stubborn to clear, and we'll still have quite a lot of clouds through the North Sea coast areas. It will brighten up as the day goes on, from the south that is. For northeast Scotland, a different day here. There will be some showery bursts of rain, perhaps the odd sharp burst across Shetland. Elsewhere there'll be a scattering of showers, but hopefully there'll be fewer than today, more in the way of dry and bright weather. We'll have similar problems with fog on Sunday morning, but otherwise some fine weather before that next batch of wet and windy weather with gales sweeps in from the Atlantic. That's the forecast. Good afternoon.